One of the most interesting peptides for sun biology is α-MSH because it reminds us that tanning is not just cosmetic. Pigment is part of the skin's defense system. Let's talk about UV protection through the Praxis lens. And one of the most important peptide systems in this conversation is α-MSH. Alpha-MSH stands for alpha-melanocyte stimulating hormone. It's a peptide involved in melanocortin signaling. And one of its key roles is helping signal melanocytes to signal melanin. Melanin is the pigment that gives skin color. Melanin is not just cosmetic. Melanin is part of the skin's natural defense system against ultraviolet radiation. That matters because UV radiation can damage DNA, increase oxidative stress, trigger inflammation, break down collagen, accelerate photoaging, and increase skin cancer risk. So when the skin increases melanin after sun exposure, that's not vanity, that's adaptation. It's the body trying to protect the DNA inside its skin cells. This is why alpha-MSH and related melanocortin peptides are so interesting. They don't just ask how we block the sun. They ask, how does the skin biologically respond to UV stress? The point is that peptide signaling can teach us how photoprotection works biologically. The loop may look like this. UV exposure increases. DNA stress rises. The skin signals danger. Melanocortin signaling then activates. Melanin production increases. Pigment absorbs and scatters some UV energy. The skin tries to reduce further damage. That is a protective feedback loop. But here's the caution. More pigment doesn't mean invincible skin. A tan is not a force field. Darker pigmentation may reduce some UV injury, but it doesn't eliminate photoaging, DNA damage, immune suppression, or skin cancer risk. So the Praxis lesson is this. Alpha-MSH teaches us that the skin has built-in photoprotection intelligence. But biology doesn't replace behavior. You still need shade, clothing, sunscreen when it's appropriate, timing, hydration, antioxidant support, skin checks, and common sense. The future of skin medicine is not just blocking UV, it's understanding how the skin senses, responds to, repairs, and adapts to UV stress. That is the Praxis lens. Not fear the sun, not worship of the sun. Respect for the signal.